or you can change many things. For example, the number of recent folder to save in the history, because as I type here, you see that it shows me history in here. You can change the history, or you can change the preference of command window. I don't want to describe all of the section for you. As you go in the MATLAB and get advanced MATLAB user, you will work with some section, and sometimes you don't need to know anything about this section. It depends on the application that you want, on your target that you want to use the MATLAB. Okay, the preference section of MATLAB that you can change the different parts of MATLAB is